Jamaican Olympian sprint hurdler Dionne Rose is dead.
Dionne Rose of Jamaica running in lane 6. Well, this is going to be a photo.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Jamaica Olympic 100-meter hurdler, 49-year-old Dionne Rose-Henley, died on Monday night, December 24th, after a battle with cancer. Rose-Henley, who celebrated her 49th birthday in November, was reportedly taken off life support on the weekend when rumors of her death began to circulate. However, sources close to her said that she was breathing on her own, providing a glimmer of hope for her family and friends. As part of a crop of trailblazing female hurdlers, which included the likes of Deloreen Ennis-London, Vonette Dixon and Gillian Russell, Rose-Henley represented Jamaica at the 1992 Olympic Games in Barcelona, where she made the semi-finals, before reaching the final 4 years later in Atlanta. The hurdler placed 5th in that final. Rose-Henley, a two-time national champion, then went on to represent the country at the 1995, 1997, 1999 and 2001 World Championships, and twice claimed gold at the CAC Games. Rose was part of a 1-2 finish ahead of Gillian Russell at the 1998 Games in Venezuela, before claiming the title again in El Salvador in 2002. After retiring from the sport, Rose-Henley took up coaching at her alma mater, Middle Tennessee State University, for 2 seasons before moving to Tennessee State University. She then journeyed to Central Michigan, where she spent 7 years. Last summer, Rose-Henley was named Coastal Carolina Assistant Track and Field Coach, where she focused on the sprints, hurdles, and relays.
Finish and now the official results, Dwight, from the women's 100-meter. They studied this for a long time. Rose from Jamaica finishes first, an identical time of Dawn Bowles. Lopez of Cuba, who came on strong and appeared to have the victory at one point, finishes third. Gillian Russell from Jamaica is fourth.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.